And see here, what is moving window operation? The electricity usage shows both the long-term and short-term trend. See, if you see across the years, it is going to be long-term. If you are going to zoom into a particular year, it's going to be a short-term variation. So in such a case, you need to, whenever you are going to do mathematical processing on any function, you need to calculate its statistics such as mean, variance on a moving window. So you have to keep your window for a particular duration and you have to move it constantly and find the average. Okay. So when you consider this window, when you take the average of all the values here, that average value comes around to 1.1. So that is going to be the mean value. Okay. By moving the mean across the years. So when I move this window slowly, okay, when I move this window slowly, I can find the mean also at each and every point. So I see that as you move the window slowly to find the moving average, you find the mean is also getting calculated. As you completely move, you can find the mean plot. So this is the mean plot or the average plot. This is a long-term plot and this is going to be for a short term. How to find short term? Because I have taken a very small portion of the entire graph and I found mean for that. That is going to be the means. I will once again show you from the beginning. See here, this graph is taken and this window is going to, I'm going to move this window from left to right. So as the window is in a particular position, I'm going to add all the values, divide by the number of values, and I'm going to find the mean. That is my first mean for that particular data. And I'm going to move the window forward. I will get my second mean. I will move it again forward, third mean. So when I'm going to plot all the values, I'm going to get the mean value also. This is the actual consumption of data from January 2002 to 2002. And this is going to be the average consumption of the electricity between the same years from Jan 2000 to Jan 2002. Okay. Statistics means you will definitely find the mean, variance, standard deviation, other things, just to get an idea about how the variation is going to be in the data set, nothing else. Okay. So to find, you know how to find, there are functions like average, mean to find the normal average and mean of a data set. But if you want to find the moving average or the moving mean, MATLAB has a provision for that. So you have a function called move mean. So if you use move mean, you give for what data you want to find the moving average, and you have to give the number of points in the window. That window we have been moving from left to right, right? So you have to say how many points are there in the window. So if more number of points are there, then larger the mean will be found for a larger number of values. If k value is very less, then the data you consider is very less, and the moving mean might not be accurate. Okay, so the moving mean method has two arguments. X is the data for which you have to find the moving mean, and k is going to be the number of points in the window which you are going to move from left to right. Okay, please understand that.